to 2018, the year to create. Starting this week, we will be collaborating with more creative maestros to help us all be more creative. We have so many different ways to explore creativity, discovering what is at the core of every creative maestro, allowing ourselves to see the similarities we share as a scientific artist. Traveling around the world to interview different people. We want to unite creative people around the world so we can collaborate with each other even more. Our blog is going to add more creative resources to help you. Our social media is going to continue to inspire you in your free time without distracting you. Our digital products and courses are going to look through different creative lenses. We are going to start new ways you can stay creative with us. Starting next week, we will continue our Maestro Monday with a new creative maestro to admire. Study their creative habits, conceptualize their mindset, and begin to tap into their scientific artistry. Giving our best gets the job done. Jump into 2018 like a creative maestro. It's time to press play on your imagination. Welcome to 2018, the year to create.